Do you ever wonder how to get rid of those funky trash can odors that seem to be taking over your kitchen? Pew! I've got 3 easy ways to deodorize your kitchen of any bad smells. These options are all natural and a good alternative to chemical air fresheners. I'm going to share with you my 3 favorite ways to deodorize my kitchen of any trash odors or food smells. Sometimes even just when I'm cooking with onions and garlic, the kitchen can become quite, shall we say, aromatic. Kitchen deodorizer number 1 is baking soda. This is something that your grandmother might have used, and it's a good old-fashioned remedy for absorbing odors. You can buy the kind that already have the panels cut out that are intended for air freshening, or buy a regular old box of baking soda and just cut the top off like so. Set that right near any sources of odors like your trash can, and it will instantly start absorbing those bad smells. Also known as sodium bicarbonate, the compounds in baking soda help to counteract the acids that cause bad smells. This works great in the refrigerator too. You just need to be sure to change it out every so often because it will stop working after a month or 2. Number 2 in my arsenal of odor zappers is a bag of charcoal. I got this on Amazon and it really works like a charm. It's literally just a little like burlappy kind of bag filled with charcoal, and you can just hang these around and it really helps to neutralize any odors. It's called an air purifying bag and it really works. Some of the benefits of charcoal is that it purifies the air rather than masking odors like a fragrance would. It also helps to eliminate the odor itself by absorbing it. And bamboo charcoal is particularly helpful for anyone with allergies or asthma since it's fragrance-free. Last but not least, I'm a big fan of essential oils. Things like lavender oil, cedar oil, whatever types of essential oils you like to smell, like orange or grapefruit or jasmine. There's a wide variety of essential oils that can smell really nice in your kitchen to help freshen things up. Just be sure to buy high quality essential oils to avoid any chemical fragrances that might be added. And a fun way to diffuse those essential oils into the air is to use little terracotta discs like this. This one looks like a little sunshine. You can hang these around. They look kind of charming. This one has a little chicken on it. And they really help to retain the essential oil. So I just put a few drops of the essential oil on these, place them anywhere you want in your kitchen where you want that nice fresh scent from the essential oils, and it's going to work wonders. A bonus tip is that you can boil a pot of water and add some nice spices like cloves, cinnamon bark, star anise, and make your own natural homemade potpourri. You can add dried orange peel, rosebuds, or any other naturally fragrant ingredients that you like. Simmer it in the water for 30 minutes to an hour, and the air will be transformed in your kitchen to smell so pleasant. And the great thing about this is that it adds moisture to the air, so it's really beneficial for any kind of breathing conditions and helps to moisten the lungs. I also like to minimize smelly trash fumes by placing potentially smelly garbage into small produce bags that I save from the grocery store. Just tie it up and place it inside the trash, and it will not smell as much. You can even keep a separate trash container for these types of smelly garbage so that it can be emptied more often. Another option for separating smelly garbage is to compost it. Just be sure to avoid adding anything greasy or bones. To prevent any unnecessary odors from your refrigerator, on a weekly basis, check through and make sure you don't have any spoiled food. Get rid of anything that's gone bad or is past expiration date. I also recommend thoroughly cleaning the mesh filter on your range hood. Clean it every few weeks or at least every couple months, and replace it every 1 to 2 years, depending how often you use your stove. One more tip is to keep a variety of nice green plants in your kitchen and your home, as these help to purify the air and improve indoor air quality. I'd love to hear from you. What are some ways that you help to keep your kitchen smelling fresh and clean? I hope you found all of these tips helpful to keep your home a fresh smelling sanctuary. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!